Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make delicious banana bread without flour. We'll explore how to create a wonderfully moist and flavorful loaf using alternative ingredients. You'll learn simple steps to prepare this delightful treat, ensuring a satisfying texture every time. Get ready to enjoy a healthier twist on a classic favorite, perfect for any occasion. It's surprisingly easy to make. The secret to flourless banana bread lies in its key ingredients. Very ripe bananas are essential, offering natural sweetness and moisture. Instead of wheat flour, we use rolled oats, often blended into a fine flour or almond flour to give the bread its structure. 2 large eggs bind everything together, while 1 teaspoon of baking soda and 1/2 teaspoon of baking powder help it rise beautifully. Making this bread is incredibly simple, often requiring just one appliance. You can combine all your ingredients, including 4 medium bananas, 2 1/2 cups of oats, and 1/3 cup of melted butter, directly into a large blender. Blend on high speed for about 30 to 60 seconds until the batter is smooth. Then, pour this mixture into a prepared 9 by 5 inch loaf pan, ready for baking. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Bake the banana bread for approximately 30 to 50 minutes. To check for doneness, insert a toothpick into the center. It should come out mostly clean. Allow the loaf to cool completely in the pan for at least 10 minutes before removing and slicing. This prevents it from falling apart. Store any remaining bread in an airtight container for optimal freshness.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.